Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the iPhone. Update iOS, connect to Wi-Fi, and confirm your carrier supports eSIM. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. Choose Add Cellular Plan. Scan the carrier QR code or use the carrier app to download the eSIM profile. You can also transfer a line from another iPhone. Do this now, don't stall, because the activation handshake happens immediately and requires network access and correct account credentials to complete. Once the eSIM installs, you'll see two cellular plans. Tap each plan and assign a label: primary, secondary, business, so you know which line handles calls and messages. Next, set default voice line and the line used for cellular data. Make sure to toggle Allow Cellular Data Switching if you want automatic data switching during calls. This matters because iMessage and Contacts choose lines based on these defaults, so label and set them deliberately to avoid missed calls and billing surprises. Finish by testing. Call and text from each line and check cellular data on the chosen plan. Then open Contacts to set a default line per person if you want consistency. If iMessage or FaceTime shows the wrong number, go to Settings and select the correct caller ID. If activation fails, restart the iPhone, remove and re-add the eSIM, and make sure the carrier completed provisioning. If it still fails, contact the carrier for a new QR or activation code to resolve provisioning conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.